Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to sculpt another object in Blender. I'm going to sculpt another object in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this is our model sculpted in Blender. If you have more time, you can adjust the texture little bit. You can paint on the texture. So this is a very easy model that I have sculpted in Blender. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this, sculpting videos like this, also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.